Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Petitioners have filed this review petition mainly on the ground that an agreement exhibit P1 has been drawn on stamp paper dated 3rd May 1980 issued in the name of Devi Prasad Stop. Aforesaid stamp paper was not valid for execution after 6-month stop. In agreement, khasra number and area were not specifically mentioned and it was not bearing signature of respondent number 1 Narayan Prasad Stop. According to one Sheila Rani, she has not executed any such agreement and even it is presumed to be valid for the sake of argument, then the time limit prescribed for execution of contract has been mentioned as 4-month stop. Documents X P/2 and X P/4 are to show that there was a commitment on the part of Sheila Rani, but both these documents are beyond the stipulated time as mentioned in the agreement stop. Along with aforesaid mentioned ground, other grounds are taken in regard to documents X P/5 X D/1 and it is pleaded that there was a difference in signatures of Sheila Rani on the documents X P/1 and X D/1 stop. Since application of recording the statement of Sheila Rani has been rejected by trial court in which ground for issuing the commission was taken due to her ill health, therefore, she could not appear before the court stop. In these circumstances, no interference can be drawn on non-examination of Sheila Rani in witness box stop. Statement of Shuklal PW2 has not been properly appreciated stop para. In reply, respondent denied all the contentions of the petitioners and pleaded that the petitioners under the cover of this review petition want this court to set aside its own judgment by reappreciating the evidence on record, which is not permissible under the law stop. There is no discovery of important or material evidence which came to their knowledge subsequently, nor there is any mistake or error apparent on the face of record, therefore, praise for dismissal of review petition stop para. Counsel for the petitioners submits that since the impugned judgment was not shown to be listed for pronouncement in the cause list provided by Bar Association, therefore, they could not gather the information about passing of judgment on 16/9/2011 and they got the knowledge only on 18/11/2011 stop. In support of his contention, cause list supplied to Bar Association has been placed on record stop para. Counsel for the respondent submits that the matter can be verified from the cause list section stop. On verification of cause list from cause list section, it reveals that appeal was posted on cause list but they unable to explain the fact that why the number of this case was not mentioned in the copy of cause list sent to Bar Association stop para. In the circumstances, application for condonation of delay is allowed stop. Even otherwise, the petition has no merits because ground taken by the petitioners is beyond the purview of Order 47 Rule 1 of CPC stop. I have gone through the records, specifically XP1 to P5 along with ground taken by the petitioners stop. The petitioners in review petition have not pleaded discrepancies in regard to agreement at the time of exhibition of document, during trial no such objection was raised by petitioners stop. Since petitioner and Sheila Rani pleaded right from the beginning that she has not executed the agreement, they had full opportunity to lead their evidence in regard to discrepancies, but Sheila Rani as well as her husband, who is said to be an advocate, did not appear before the court stop. It is not the case of discovery of new and important matter of evidence which after exercise of due diligence was not within the knowledge of petitioner stop. At the same time, it is not the case in which mistake or error apparent on the face of record must be such an error which must strike one on mere looking at the record and would not require any long drawn process of reasoning on points where there may conceivably be two opinions as held in the case of Shrimati Meera Banja versus Shrimati Nirmala Chaudhary, AIR 1995 SC 455 stop para. In instant case, if the evidence of witness Shukla Lal and agreement X P/1, documents X P/2 to P/5 and X stop D/1 are again reconsidered, it will amount to reappreciation of evidence with a view to find out the alleged error, which is not permissible under Order 47, Rule 1 of CPC stop. In aforesaid circumstances, this review petition has no force, therefore, the same is hereby dismissed stop.